Following dreams like I follow famous people in need and yet they entertain us. Staring at them until I'm on the stages. Made it on the A-list from a list of failures. Sometimes I feel there ain't nothing changing. I'm working overtime for underpayments. I know the graph could put me up the gradient with a little patience.